What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little mini haul. It's been week 3 of quarantine, and when you're bored you just online shop, so that's what I did. But of course I did not pay full price. The 3 brands that I bought from are Shop Hopes, Skullhouse Design, and Miss Lola. And let's get started. So Shop Hopes is the first one. They're pretty quick on shipping, and let's see what we got. Okay, so originally this pants was like $40, but it was 60% off sale, so it ended up being $18.40. And then I had points with them, so it was a $10 coupon, so it ended up being $8.40. So let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's so soft. These are like boho pants. Oh yes. I'll do a try, but yeah. So these are high-waisted. Yeah, so this was like $45. Definitely did not pay $45. But yeah, so cute. And these are like flare, which is in now. Good purchase. The second one is Skullhouse Design. I'm not gonna put my address, but yeah. Comes in a little packaging like this, very cute, just like her mom's. Alright, so the bralette ended up, so it was like what, 60% off, I think. So okay, so if you see my Instagram, you know I wear a lot of high-rise denim shorts, and I wore them too much that I broke the loop, so I got another one, high-waisted. That's what the back looks like. That's okay. This one's it's very dainty, so you gotta be careful. I don't know how I'm gonna wash this, but this is really cute. Again, this is also high rise. Very cute. Oh my god. I got a cute little bralette. So I'm probably gonna wear either nude pasties with this or like a white bra. Ooh. Private labeled. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So I spent $34 for all 3 pieces. So about $11 each. But then shipping was like $8. So it's okay. It's still worth it. So worth it. Okay, so my last one is from Miss Lola, and shipped by UPS. I love this brand. I've been to their Santee Alley store location, so love them. But since I don't live in LA, this is the best I can do, is order online. Cute. Okay, so you don't get a shoe box, which is different. What? I got this. I'm so excited. So white booties are in this season, and I think these are just so cute. And I like that it's a hint of snake skin, so it's like nice and white, but then, let me just try it on. Okay, so this is the back. Honestly, I didn't know there was a zipper in the back, because I thought this part would stretch, and it does. Let me just write it down. This one I paid about $20 and it was free shipping if it's over 20, so your girl got a deal. So all in all, your girl spent like $60, $70 for like an outfit and then some. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please give it a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.